Hi, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to install your entire Workforce app on your Android phone. Firstly, we will need to find the Google Play Store. The Play Store can be found in your app drawer. The app drawer can be accessed by swiping up on your home screen. Click the Play Store icon to launch the application. After it has been launched, use the search bar located at the top of the app. Click the search bar and type Entire HR Workforce. Click the search button. It looks like a magnifying glass located on your on-screen keyboard to search. Locate the app. The app should look like this. Click Install and wait for the installation to be finished. You will know when the installation is finished when it shows Uninstall and Open. After the installation process is finished, click Open. You can also find the app in your app drawer. It will have the same icon as the installed app. I will now exit the Play Store and launch it from the app drawer. Press Home using your navigation buttons on your phone. Then launch the app drawer. This may look different from phone to phone. Click the Workforce app to launch it. Allow the appropriate permissions for full functionality of the app. Click, while using the app, for camera permissions and same for location. Click Allow for access to your calendar, your photos, and media. Now you can see the login page for Workforce. You will then be required to enter the access code, user ID and password. The access code for CrewSharp is CRW. You will receive your access code, user ID and password from CrewSharp. Please note that all letters are case sensitive. Please enter your login details as written in your welcome email. You can tick the Set Up Simple Sign-In box to allow your Workforce app to ask you to use a PIN number to save your login details for the next time you log in. Click Login to log in. If you have logged in successfully, you will now see the dashboard.